Upcoming, understanding its meaning and use. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to understand the term, upcoming. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Upcoming is an adjective that describes something that is going to happen or take place soon. In other words, it refers to events, dates, or activities in the near future. For example, you might hear someone say, "The upcoming weekend," "our upcoming meeting." Both of these sentences suggest that the event is going to occur soon, but it hasn't happened yet. Now that we know the definition, let's see it in action with some sample sentences. 1. I am excited about the upcoming concert in our town. 2. There's an upcoming sale at the mall next week. 3. The company announced its upcoming product launch. Notice how each use of upcoming indicates an event or activity that is scheduled to happen in the future. Sometimes, it's useful to know other words that can convey a similar meaning. Some synonyms for upcoming include forthcoming, impending, approaching. For instance, you can say, the forthcoming elections, or the approaching deadline. Understanding the word upcoming and its use is vital for expressing events or activities that will soon take place. We hope this video helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing and using it in your conversations, and stay tuned for more enlightening sessions on the English language. Happy learning!